Okay, so welcome to Quick Calculus, and in this video, pag-usapan natin is L'Hopital's rule. Okay? So, yung L'Hopital's rule, ginagamit natin to evaluate difficult limits. Okay? And ginagawa natin yon using derivatives. Okay? So, yung L'Hopital's rule can only be applied to yung limit for the form 0/0 or infinity over infinity. Okay, take note na kailangan in the form 0/0 lang siya or infinity over infinity. Kapag ka nasa ibang form siya, then hindi natin directly agad na pwede gamitin yung L'Hopital's rule. Okay? So, ano nga ba yung L'Hopital's rule? So, sinasabi ng L'Hopital's rule is that ang limit as x approaches a of a function, let's say f of x over g of x, tapos naging equal to sa 0/0 or infinity over infinity, equal lang yan sa limit as x approaches a ng f prime of x over g prime of x. Meaning, we can take the derivative of the numerator and take the derivative of the denominator and evaluate yung limit again at x approaches a and equal yung dalawang limit na to. Okay, so yun yung L'Hopital's rule. So, makakita tayo ng mga examples nito in our future videos. Okay? So, see you in the next video.